On November 17th, the pre-constructed accommodations module rolled out of the shed, its complex geometry on display. Laser scans had confirmed its fit with a hull delivered from the builder in Maine. The module, which has multiple landing surfaces, fit on the first try. It lay against the floors in the bilge, with the bulkhead snug against the hull sides with a 3mm tolerance. In the foreground, you can see the V-drive transmission already installed. On November 18th, the pre-constructed pilot house module was ready to go. It holds engine room, mechanical, bunk, and cabin spaces. Structure includes 2-inch Nidacor for the deck and 1-inch foam and glass for secondary structure and furniture. The galley is finished painted, ready for appliances. The plywood building jig allowed us to do preliminary layout and fabrication of mechanical systems. In this time-lapse footage, we lower the module into the boat with all plywood stripped away. The multiple surfaces fit precisely against the structure in the hull. A small amount of trimming was needed to clear the deck flange, and then it landed with a perfect snug fit. The overall process took less than 90 minutes. With both modules in place, the boat rolls into the build space to complete the interior and mechanical installations. The deck and house arrived and were installed before Christmas. During that month, we leveled the boat, and the interior modules were bonded and tabbed to the hull, primed and painted. Painting includes all bilges and mechanical spaces. We began to put the hydraulic systems in place, painted the bulkheads, and installed the remaining interior pieces. By the end of December, the interior and the house were in place, and the aft deck was glued down. The 54-footer is now ready for completion for a spring launch.